Hey YouTube, it's your girl Lachey Vibes coming back to you with a 2-in-1 sponsorship. Both of these products you'll see in this video was sponsored by Amazon stores. This first sponsorship is by G Home. I've worked with them several times. This is really cool. This is a smart doorknob. It's fingerprint door lock. It's biometric smart lock for you can use it on your bedroom door. It also has apps. It's great for homes, offices. I'm just trying to decide which room in my house that I'm going to put this doorknob on, but this is awesome. I will be leaving direct links below in the description box. Right now it does have a 30% off coupon, so run as soon as this video is uploaded. It's 3-in-1. It has silent mode. The second sponsorship, this is going to be a wig, so this is like a doorknobs and bobs. This is a wig. I have worked with this particular vendor, Leoso. This is going to be posted to my Poshmark. Direct link will be listed below. This is a short layer wig with curtain bangs. It's brown in color. It's layered. It's a soft synthetic wig. It also came with additional items. Now on the Poshmark link, you will receive the eyelashes and the wig with it, but this wig did come with hairpins and a net wig cap, which I decided to keep. It was securely packaged. Now, I did notice that the scalp on this wig was a little bit light, but since I decided not to keep it, I would have probably just filled that in with like a little foundation or a little concealer, but since I didn't keep it, I didn't want to ruin it. It did come with a clip in the back, but unfortunately this one does not have any combs with it. I like wigs with comb. It just makes it feel more secure, or you can use hairpins to clip it down. Again, direct link will be listed in my Poshmark if you're interested in purchasing this wig. It did give me a more mature, sultry, remind me of a Supreme, if you know what I'm talking about, Diana Ross type bob style wig. Just not my forte. But if you're into wigs like this and like this, again, check it out. It is for sale for the low, and it includes the eyelashes. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and check out my TikTok link.